Good evening, welcome to Wah Gwan Tours and Guan. And we are currently in the beautiful Lanzarote in the Wah Gwan sports bar. I'm currently full of cold, so forgive me for how I sound and for the music. Anyway, let's bring you guys around. There's a girl having a cocktail. It's really busy, so the foot's on at the moment. Sort of dinner time.
Merry Christmas!
And it's January the 26th. I don't know why there's Christmas.
Jolly good. From me, Maggie, mate, time after time. We'll meet again. I am Poseidon. Merry Christmas.
So we're just going to have a cocktail. And then we're going to take a walk.
That's good.
Down the
Hotel California with.
So we've just left the White Lion and we're now going to do a little walk up the main bit of the sort of strip. Again, forgive me, I'm full of cold, so apologies if my voice sounds a little bit more muffled than normal. So let's have a look, what's going on? Cardiac Hill, everyone. I did do a video earlier, so that will be on the Wah Gwan Tours and Guan. I'm not going to walk up it because, wow, I don't really want to do it. But yeah, if you do want to challenge, you do want to push yourself to the limits and have a good old workout, Cardiac Hill, recommend it for anyone with a, dare I say, death wish.